All friends are welcome. I am Subhenjit. We are revising all types of maths from previous year. Let's see the question. If the speed of a railway train is increased by 5 km per hour from its normal speed, then it would have taken 2 hours less for a journey of 300 km. What is its normal speed? Okay, let the normal speed be x kilometer per hour. Okay, and increasing speed be y kilometer per hour. Okay, then we will apply shortcut trick. D equal to xy by x minus y into time difference. D is equal to 300 equal to xy by x minus y equal to 5 into time difference 2 hours less 2, then xy equal to 300 into 5 by 2, 300 by 2, 150 equal to 750. Now we will find out the answer from option. Let x equal to 30. So 30 into then xy increased by 5 km, 35, but 30 into 35 not equal to 750. Then second option, let x equal to 25. 25 into y 30 equal to 750. Okay, xy equal to 750. The answer is B. Let's see the second question. If the length of a rectangle is increased by 20% and its breadth is decreased by 20%, then its area. Okay, let length 10 meter and breadth 10 meter, then its area 10 into 10, area 100 meter square. Okay, length of rectangle is increased by 20%, then new length 10 into 20%. 120 by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0, 12 meter. New breath. 10 into decreased by 20%. 80 by 100. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0. 8 meter. 8 meter square. New area 12 into 8, 96 meter square. 100 minus 96, the area decreases 4 meter square. Here question is, decreased by, area decreases 4 meter square, then percentage is 4 by 100 into 100. Okay, 100. Answer is 4%. B eta. Let's see the question number 3. In the adjoining figure, if the radius of each of the 4 outer circle is r, that is the radius of the inner circle. Here 4 circle, 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. This is O. Here, each side of the square A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D is 2R. Then diagonal BD equal to root 2 into side 2R. Then BO equal to by 2, root 2 into 2R by 2. The answer is root 2 into R. Then radius of inner circle is root 2 into R minus R. Root 2 into R minus R. Okay? A root 2 into R minus R. Common R, root 2 minus 1. The answer is A. Okay? Let's see the question number 4. A dishonest shopkeeper pretends to sell his goods at cost price, but uses false weights and gains 11 and 1 by 9%. For a weight of 1 kg he uses. Let the error be X gram. Okay? Then shortcut tricks, error by real minus error into 100 equal to profit. Now putting the value we get error X, real 1 kg means 1000 grams. minus error x into 100. Profit 11 and 1 by 9 means 100 by 9. 100. Then cross 9x equal to 1000 minus x. Then 10x equal to 1000. Then x equal to 100. Okay. Then error x gram. But he uses 1000 minus 100. 900 gram. Answer B. Let's see the next question. A is to B 3 is to 4. C is to B 5 is to 4. C is to D equal to 10 is to 9. Then value of A is to B is to C is to D. Here A is to B equal to 3 is to 4. C is to B 5 is to 4. Then B is to C equal to 4 is to 5. Okay. Then A is to B is to C equal to multiplying each ratio by 4, we get 12 is to 16 is to 20. Okay. Here C is to D equal to 10 is to 9. Multiplying by 2, we get 20 is to 18. Then A is to B is to C is to D equal to 12 is to 16 is to 20 is to 18. All dividing by 2, we get 6 into 18 is to 10 is to 9. Answer is A. Okay. Next question. The value of 0.87 cube plus 0.13 cube plus 0.87 into 0.39 whole power 0.5. Okay. Here 0.87 equal to A and 0.13 equal to B. Then we can write 0.87 cube plus 0.13 cube means A cube plus B cube plus 3 into 0.13 equal to 0.39. Then we can write 3 into A 0.87 into B 0.13 into 1 power 0.5 means 1 by 2. The formula is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. 1 equal to 0.87 plus 0.13 equal to 1. Then A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B means A plus B whole cube. A plus B means 1. 1 cube power 1 by 2. 1 whole cube means 1. Power 1 by 2 means root 1 equal to 1. Answer is B. Okay. Let's see the next question. When 25 to the power 25 is divided by 26, the remainder is. Here we can prove that x to the power n plus 1 is completely divided by x plus 1 if only n is odd. N is odd. Okay? I am explaining. We know that x minus a is factor of px, and if and only pa equal to 0, then let px equal to x to the power n plus 1, then p minus 1 equal to minus 1 power n plus 1, then minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0 when n is odd integer. So x plus 1 is a factor. Okay? Then (25) to the power 25 plus 1 is completely divided by 25 plus 1 equal 26. Remainder is 0. Then we can write 25 to the power 25 plus 1 minus 26 is also divided by 26. Remainder is 0. Okay? Then 25 power 25 is minus 25 is also completely divided by 26. But question is, when only 25 to the power 25 is divided by 26, then the remainder is 25. The answer is D. Okay? Let's see the next question. A is twice as fast as B, and B is thrice as fast as C. The journey covered by C in 42 minutes will be covered by A. Let C's speed be x meter per minute. Then B is thrice as fast as C. Then B speed 3x meter per minute, and A is twice 6x meter per minute. We can write ratio of speed of A and C equal to ratio of times taken by C and A, because we know speed and time is in inverse relation. Okay, then A is to C, 6x by x equal to time taken by C and A, 42 y. Let y is A's time. Then xx, y equal to 42 by 6, 7. Answer A. Let's see the next question. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 8 days, while B and C together can do it in 12 days. All the three together can complete the work in 6 days. In how much time will A and C together complete the work? Okay. Let A plus B can complete the work x days. Here x means 8 days, 8. Okay. B and C y days. Here y equal to 12 and C and A equal to Z days. Then shortcut trick is A plus B plus C can do the work 2xyz by xy plus yz plus zx equal to A plus B plus C can do 6 days equal to 6. Okay. Then putting the value we get 2 into x 8 y 12. 8 into 12 96 into z by xy 8 into 12 96 plus yz 12 into z 12 z plus zx 8x equal 6. Six 96 16. Then we can get 16 into 2 32 z by 96 plus 20z equal to 1. Then 32z equal to 96 plus 20z. 32z minus 20z equal to 12z equal to 96. Then z equal to 96 by 12 equal to 8. Answer is A. Okay. Let's see the next question. A student who secures 20% marks in a test failed by 30 marks. Okay. Another student who secures 32% marks get 42 marks more than those required to pass. Pass percentage of marks is. Okay. Let the total marks be X. X is total marks. Then we can write X into 32% minus 42. Get 42 marks more equal to X into 20% plus 30. Failed by 30%. It is pass marks. It is also pass marks. Then we can write X into 32% minus X into 20% equal to 72. Then X into 12% equal to 72. Then X equal to 72 into 100 by 12. 72 by 12, 600. Okay. Then total marks is 600. Then pass marks (600) into 20%, 20 by 100 plus 30, 6 into 20, 120 plus 30 equal to 150. Then pass percentage is 150 by 600 into 100. 6. 150 by 6, 25. Answer is 25%. Answer A. Okay. Let's see the next question. If 3 cot theta equal to 4, then value of 5 sin theta plus 3 cos theta by 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. If 3 cot theta equal to 4, then we can write cot theta equal to 4 by 3. Okay. On dividing numerator and denominator by sin theta, we get 5 sin theta by sin theta, 5 plus 3 into cos by sin cot theta minus 5 minus 3 into cot theta. Okay. Then 5 plus 3 into 4 by 3 by 5 minus 3 into 4 by 3. The answer is 5 plus 4, 9 by 1. Answer is 9. Answer D. Okay. Next question is the unit digit in 7 to the power 105 is, we know 7 into 7 equal to 81. 7 into 7 equal to 81. Then 1 into 1, 1. Then we can write 7 unit digit of 7 to the power 4 is 1. Then 7 to the power 105 equal to, we can write 7 to the power 4 whole power 26 into 7. 4 by 105. 8 to 5. 4 into 6, 24. 1. So, we can write 7 to the power 4 into 26 into 7. So, the unit digit is 1 into 7, because the unit digit in 7 to the power 4 whole 26 is 1. Then answer is 7. Answer B. Okay.